Hello everyone, today I want to talk about one of my favorite watch, the Sea-gull Wuxing watch. This watch is a retro of the 1955 version, which is the very first automatic mechanical watch released by China. Some basic information: the diameter is 38 millimeters, lug to lug 46 millimeters. The thickness is 10 millimeters, which is rather thin, I think. This watch is very well made. I think that the case is very shiny, and if I cover the dial, and you may think that this may be a Grand Seiko, a King Seiko. The whole case is high polish, as you can see. It got a very retro style, I think. The Chinese word up at the travel clock position is raised 17 joules, which is not true because the movement is 21 joules. It should be 25 joules, I think. It is a ST21 movement, an in-house movement made by Sea-gull. The last three words means water-resistant watch. Down here, it reads "Made in China." It is a very simple, light, and comfortable watch. The strap is also quite good, although not excellent. It is water-resistant on the outside, and on the underneath it is also water resistant, unlike some other straps which tend to absorb sweat and water. This one won't. The buckle is unsigned, which is, I think, is faithful to the original version. So the price is approximately $200, which is not very expensive, but it's okay. Oh yeah, it has a sapphire crystal, and on the back some signature. I hope you can see that. The signature up here means the first watchmaker in Sea-gull. The one down here is Li Jiaqi, which is the contemporary master watchmaker in China. The Sea-gull movement runs pretty well. I've wear this watch for a few months, and it keeps time very well. As you can see, the second hands move very smoothly. It has a very small date window on the 3 o'clock position, and I think it has a very good style, I think, overall. And if you are looking for something special and inexpensive, I think this watch is a very good choice. It is a limited version. It has I think it's limited to 1,000 pieces. Yeah. Right here, as you can see, right here, it is limited to 1,000 pieces, and mine is 315. All in all, I really enjoyed this watch, and if you happen to find one, I think it is a good choice for a dress watch, or if you want some kind of something other than normal Swiss watch. I think this one is a very good choice. So I hope you like this episode, and see you next time.